Hey there, we are at Disney's Saratoga Springs Resort and Spa. We're staying in a Deluxe Studio, and today I'm giving you guys a room tour of a Deluxe Studio here at Disney Saratoga Springs. 7501, let's check it out. When we first enter in, we come into this entryway. Now this is a lock-off room, so you have that lock-off there. I love how you do have a coat rack here. That is awesome and easy. You come over here and you have a mirror. That's right as you leave, which, hello, that's pretty easy. You then come right here. I'm gonna come over to the right. You have a kitchenette, and this is actually huge, like so much counter space. We were just at the old Key West studio and it was less counter space over there, but you have the toaster, coffee pot, all this stuff. And then you have some storage up here with like your paper stuff and plates and stuff like that. You even have storage down here as well, so that's pretty neat. And then you have your refrigerator, which is awesome, super helpful. Here we have the bathroom. Now it is a smaller of the bathrooms. You do have some just drawers here and counter space and a normal mirror with some lights, but it is very nice, looks really pretty, really well done. Over here on the right side, you have a closet with a safe, an ironing board, extra pillow blanket, that type of thing. That's pretty nice. You go in here, the bathroom is a star here at Saratoga Springs. You have the towels, you have the toilet, you have all that stuff. I absolutely love this backsplash here in the shower. You do have two shower heads that you can choose between, and it has these the bottles mounted on the wall, which is awesome. Coming on out here, we do have just the main bedroom. This is so pretty. You have a queen bed here with a beautiful headboard, so pretty. Two side tables, which is really great. You have this little bench here, and that does have little drawers that fold out. A mirror here on this wall. This is a beautiful dresser with so much space. Lots of drawers here. That's actually really nice. It's not a fold-out bed though. You do get over here. You have a couch with this thing. This folds out if you let it, and see how difficult it is. When you fold it out, it does become like a little table, and you can store stuff in it as well, which is really nice. If you wanted an extra queen bed, this is a full-out queen bed. I'm not going to pull it all the way down right now, but this is a full queen bed, and it is a normal mattress, so that's a really comfortable place to stay, and I think this is really pretty. Our view out here, if you want to walk out on the balcony, the view is really pretty out here. We do have a really nice view of a fountain and just the gardens, and you have a little side table and the chairs here. But really like this setup, really pretty room. Thank you so much for watching this room tour. Hey, I would love to help you book your stay here at Disney Saratoga Springs Resort. I'll include my email in the link in the description below. I am a certified travel planner. I would love to help you out. And also, thank you so much for watching this video. If you don't mind, hit that like button, maybe that subscribe button. And I have tons of other Disney resort content, and I would love if you were to check it out. Have a good one.